In the ICU room section, we have 3 ICU beds and medical pendants on display. We also provide ventilator, anesthesia machine. Next is our emergency room equipment area. Our emergency room equipment includes hydraulic stretcher, electric stretcher, manual stretcher, and connecting stretcher. We also exhibit 2 types of medical imaging equipment: portable digital radiography and double-column digital radiography systems. Medical imaging allows doctors to see inside the human body to diagnose and monitor medical conditions using X-rays, MRIs, CT scanners and other technologies. The maternal and child equipment area features tools for prenatal and postnatal care. This includes labor, delivery and recovery beds, obstetric tables, gynecological exam chairs, baby care supplies and gynecological treatment equipment. Finally, our operating room section displays operating tables, surgical lights, surgical pendants, stainless steel products, surgical instruments for various surgeries like orthopedics and urology, as well as surgical accessories. The OR is where surgical procedures and operations take place using sensitive equipment in a sterile environment. In summary, our sample room contains a collection of medical products and technologies that enable patient diagnosis, treatment, recovery and ongoing care in hospital settings. Please feel free to explore the areas that interest you. Our product specialists can provide detailed information and recommendations catered to your healthcare facility's specific needs. Welcome inquiries for more details.
how do you think?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to MedWish Experience Center. MedWish.com is a global B2B medical marketplace that supplies various types of medical products, including medical equipment, medical instrument, and hospital furniture. And MedWish is the largest medical platform, clears out global buyers' one-stop shopping difficulties by integrating global high-quality supply chain channels, and our buyers come from mainly private hospitals and overseas agents. Find out the different solution turnkey projects for your general ward, operating room, emergency room, obgyn room, and your whole hospital construction.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Over here is the ward nursing area. Ward nursing provides care and treatment for patients staying in hospital wards. We offer different types of hospital furniture, including hospital beds, medical trolleys, overbed tables, bedside cabinets, and accompany chairs.
Good morning.
In the ICU room section, we have 3 ICU beds and medical pendants on display. We also provide ventilator, anesthesia machine.
Good morning, Augustine. Welcome to our meeting.
Next is our emergency room.
Hi, good morning. Good morning.
Our
Good morning.
emergency
Good
room
morning.
equipment includes hydraulic
Good morning.
stretcher, electric stretcher, manual stretcher, and connecting stretcher.
Good morning, Samuel. Welcome. Welcome.
Thank you.
We also exhibit 2 types of medical imaging equipment: portable digital radiography and double-column digital radiography systems. Medical imaging allows doctors to see inside the human body to diagnose and monitor medical conditions using X-rays, MRIs, CT scanners, and other technologies.
Hello, Dr. Isaac. Warmly welcome.
Thank you, Gloria.
Good morning, Doctor. Welcome to our meeting.
The maternal and child equipment area features tools for prenatal and postnatal care. This includes labor, delivery and recovery beds, obstetric tables, gynecological exam chairs, baby care supplies, and gynecological treatment equipment.
Welcome. Welcome.
Finally, our operating room section displays operating tables, surgical lights, surgical pendants, stainless steel products, surgical instruments for various surgeries like orthopedics and urology, as well as surgical accessories. The OR is where surgical procedures and operations take place using sensitive equipment in a sterile environment. In summary, our sample room contains a collection of medical products and technologies that enable patient diagnosis, treatment, recovery, and ongoing care in hospital settings. Please feel free to explore the areas that interest you. Our product specialists can provide detailed information and recommendations catered to your healthcare facility's specific needs. Welcome inquiries for more details.
about Medawish. And from the presentation, you will know about who we are and what kind of products and service we can provide you. And our product line. The next part is about the customers from over the world come to visit us. This is Gloria. I have over 10 years experience in Africa market. And first about Medawish. Medawish is a medical equipment B2B platform that provides the medical equipment one-stop solution. You may have questions. If the product not produced by us, can we give you a good price? Yes, it's a very good question. Medawish is belonged to Jiangsu Yijian Holding Group, which started from 2009. We already have 15 years experience in medical field, and we also have our own factory, Jiangsu Yijian Medical Equipment, produce the hospital furniture. And regarding some other medical equipment like the digital X-ray and the consumables, the laboratory equipment, we are seeing the strategic cooperation with other China reputation manufacturers. So order through Medawish that you can enjoy not only help you save time, save cost, at the same time we will make sure deliver you the quality product. Medawish.com that have over 10,000 SKU. You can select and select all your interested products through Medawish.com. The categories including ward loyalty, emergency, OR, maternity, medical radiography, etc. You can just send a message and we will communicate later after finish the presentation. Thank you so much. And here is our experience center. Later, my colleagues will show you this product, especially the operating theater equipment and the digital X-ray. Any other products you are interested, just communicate with us. We will show you the details. Below the certificate that we have already get approved. Our production line, we use the Japan Panasonic robot welding to make sure deliver the goods in time and strict control the production process to stable the product quality. And our main product line, including different types of medical equipment. We are not only supply the medical equipment, we also supply the hospital construction related material like the hospital floor, the window, and the need door, etc. So if you want to build a new hospital, freely to communicate with us. And here the popular models that in Africa market, like the BY003C. The 5-function electric bed have already exported to Ghana several times. It comes with the battery, even the unstable electricity is no problem. And use the Denmark Clean-Neck motor with a 3 years warranty. The second one is one of our economic electric operating table, which compatible with the C-arm, can do the orthopedic and other types of surgery. As you know, Medawish provided the hospital project solution, so we can also supply you the CT scan. Here's a picture showing that we are installed the CT scan for one of our Angola hospital project. Once you order the CT scan from Medawish, we can provide you the training and installation for free. We also supply the oxygen plant and the dialysis solution. In 2021, we have delivered the equipment for 4 PCR projects in Ghana, and we send the MOU for 3111 hospital EPF project. Most of you joined the meeting today. Trust you know this famous project in Ghana. It's a government project. And here are some hospital projects we served, like the MOH project in different countries. In 2020, we won the Asia Expo Center. We delivered 816 sets of hydraulic beds. In 2021, we won the Ghana PCR project. It's worth 1 million with all kinds of medical equipment. In 2022, we work with Hong Kong Makeshift Hospital again, and we deliver 1,400 sets of hospital beds just within 72 hours. That is China speed and the Medwish speed. Here's a picture that is showing we delivered the equipment to the Hong Kong Makeshift Hospital. Many of our Ghana customers are very interested and ask us, which hospitals have you already served in Ghana? Now I will introduce you, like Yebo Hospital in Accra, and the Hope Exchange in Kumasi, the Oka Specialist Hospital, and the New Crest Health Service. Here's the Ghana MOH, the PCR project, the feedback from the clients. And the bill of loading that we ship the goods to Ghana, and the payment proof from Ghana customers. Here's the customer usage feedback after the medical equipment installed in their hospitals. Now I will introduce you what kind of service Medwish can provide you, such as our payment term and the pre-after sale service, and how we deliver the goods to you. First, about the payment term, Medwish accept a flexible payment term like TT, LC. We also accept a credit card. Till now, we have sent over 20 countries. We can accept the local currency, like in Tanzania, in Kenya, South Africa. And regarding Ghana market, we are still communicate. Once Ghana market available the local currency, we will update you. And to solve the Africa countries, the shortage of foreign currency problem. And we provide two types of financial support, like order financial and project financial. We have already cooperated with some customers with our financing service. It means that you can order first and pay later after you receive the goods. To apply the financing service, need to provide your 3 years audited financial report. Our product's warranty is 18 months, and the warranty for motors is 36 months. The after-sale service is 15 years. Our production time normally is within 30 days, and the shipping on the sea from China to Ghana will take about 50 days. That is to say, you need to order your project at least 3 months in advance. And regarding shipping the goods, normally we deliver the goods. If you order some small product like the patient monitor, ultrasound machine, infusing pump, we advise ship by DHL or FedEx or by air. You will receive the goods very soon. And if you order some large quantity product, we will advise ship by sea to save cost. Some customers tell us that they don't have experience of import. It also doesn't matter. Of course, we have logistic partners can give you the DDP service. That is to say, we can ship the goods from China and do the customs clearance, import tax, etc. You just wait the goods at the door. Now the last part is about customers visit us. Like the Ghana customer visit us, and the Yebo Hospital, the owner, Dr. Yebo Asumina and his wife. The Namibia customer visit us, which we cooperate more than 5 years. And the South Africa MOH project customer visit us. Welcome to China. Welcome to Medwish. Thank you so much for your listening. And as I know some of you are ready to visit us, we are looking forward to see you soon. And now let me take my honor to invite our corporate customer, Mr. Michael from Hope Exchange, to introduce his experience of cooperate with our company. Thank you so much. Hello, Michael. Hello, Michael. Are you there?
Maybe
Okay,
Michael
now
is busy now. Later, when the free talking part, we can invite Michael again. Now let's go to another part about our showroom. Now let's welcome Summer.
Hello. Hello, everyone. Good morning. So thank you for your today time attend our MedWish Zoom meeting. And next, our MedWish team will show you around about a different hospital departments. Now, let me introduce you for the OR room package solution. As you know, it's an important department in the one hospital. And for our MedWish package, OR room package solution have already won a good usage feedback from the Mexico, Guatemala, South Africa, Cambodia, and so on. And today, so next, let's enjoy for our new arrival luxurious medical equipment for the OR room. The first one, I would like to introduce you for the middle type, electrical and hydraulic type operating table. Compared with a traditional electrical type, the biggest advantage is the lowest height movement can reach to the 600 millimeter. And as you see, for the all function of movement can be operated by the embedded operator at the operating table, and another operating is by the hand panel. And for the whole body operating table, we all prefer the 304 stainless steel material. It's anti-rusted and easy clean for the in the hospital room. Next, I will show the function for you through the panel. The first one is for the height movement. Trans-Lamberg and anti-Trans-Lamberg. The tightening function, back section. And here is for the V function and anti-V function. The next is for the sliding, moving forward and backward. It's suitable for the C-arm or the X-ray. It's transparent when doing the surgery. As the last one is for the electrical casters braking system, easy to fixing the table and the moving. Wire for some accessory, as you see, we also have the anesthesia foam, the shoe holder, arm holder, waist holder, leg holder, or can do a different position adjustment according to the doctor's surgery request. Okay, so later if you have some the request for the standard one, you also can visit our website medwish.com to check the different prefer. And the next, let's see for the LED operating lamp. It's the two hands, one in the big size, 700 millimeter, and another small one is in the 500 millimeter. While we also can choose a combine according your request, like the two big hand or the two smaller hand. We do some update for the operating lamp. As you see, for the thickness of the hand within the 10 centimeter is streamlined in the operating table. And for the functions, we do the operating by the touch panel. Here can control for the color temperature in lumens. And here also has the red or the green function to help the doctor to distinguish the blood tube more clearly. And the second biggest advantage is for the metro control function. What it mean? It means when I do this panel functions, I can control for the another hand function movement. And if the hospital has some teaching or the international surgeries, we also can equip for the camera system. We can open here, and in the middle type, we'll have the camera. And the next is for the gesture control. When I use my hands, so the operating lamp can also do the adjustment directly. So when the doctors don't have the hands to do the operating by this touch panel, so they also can do the control by their hand. Okay, so later if you also have some special requests about the hand size, or you need a single type, you also can visit on our website medwish.com. The last one we would like to introduce you for the anesthesia machine. It's also one of the essential equipment in the operating room. This model is our standard one, equipped with one screen with ventilator functions, and also have some aluminum. For this model, we are the standard equipped for the gas sources is a 2 type. If you need more, we also have the luxurious model can prefer. And for the gas tank, also prefer the standard one is prefer the 1 type. Okay, so except for this standard accessory equipment in the operating room, we also have some items like the section machine, the instrument trolley, like the patient monitor, or we all can supply in the whole package. While if more items you need, welcome you visit on our website medwish.com. Okay, so next, my colleague Apple will introduce you for the anesthesia machine. Apple.
Hello everyone, this is Apple from Medwish. Hello, Dr. Frank. We know that Medwish can provide one-stop package solutions, which is also including the dialysis centers. If you want to open a new dialysis centers, you just need to give us your how many pieces of dialysis machines that you need, and we can give you the own dialysis package solutions for you. And here we can see this model is very our popular models. Let me show you the details. First, we long press for 3 seconds and open these machines. And then we will see the screen of these machines. We can see here the priming, the alarm, and also other manuals, the history. You can see the using history of these machines, and also other things and alarm. Here we'll see the alarm history for this machine, and refer to the alarm. Here we can see the light. Now we can see the light is yellow. That means there has some problem of these machines, because this is just a sample in our sample room, so it didn't put the AB pipe to the AB liquid. So the machine is know that and recommend us to save it. If we don't save it, each time the light will turn to red and the machines will be alarmed. And if the light is green, these machines can be normally used. And this machine has a big advantage that it has a self-test model. Let me show you. First, we take the AB pipe to the AB liquid. Then the machines will automatically turn to the self-test mode. We can see the screen here. This, when all the color turn to green, and here in the middle of the screen turn to the correct. That means this machine is automatically past the self-test mode. And this machine also had a very big advantage of this pump. It has the pump cover detection. Here we can see the pump is working, and if we open it, it will stop. And we close it, it will continue. So that it can not only protect the machines, but also protect the patient. And besides the dialysis machines, we also can provide the dialysis chair. This is a manual one, and this is a electric one. This electric can be controlled by the hand remote, and also has the weighing systems. This is weighing systems, and this is hand remote. And besides the dialysis chair, we also can provide the dialysis consumable. That means we can provide all the products that your dialysis center needs. If you are interested about to open a dialysis center, just contact us. We will give you a private hospital pack solutions about your dialysis center. And now we will go to the radiology room to see the X-ray. Let my colleague Summer to introduce it for you. Yes, and besides that, we also can provide the trolleys, the different kinds of trolley. Yes, hello, Summer.
From Ghana, welcome to our radiology department. Yeah, radiology play a critical role in the diagnosis center for your hospital, and we also call the radiology machine. The X-ray machine is the cashier making machine, and the digital X-ray to replace the traditional analog system is the trend, and our MedWish follow up with the trend and launch the digital X-ray. And in our showroom, we have two most hot sale models. One is the mobile one, and another is the fixed model. And someone will introduce you one by one. The mobile one, you know, it is called the radiology department on wheels. It can be moved into different rooms like the operating room, ICU room, emergency room, or also okay for your physical exam center. And our mobile X-ray, it is 5.6 kW. Normally, on market, you get the mobile X-ray in 5 kW, and ours with higher power, so you can obtain clear images. And our this one is hot cell because it has the big advantages, such as it is with battery and it is with Wi-Fi function. Let me show you here. We have the battery inside, so we have the DC mode and AC mode. So you can choose the directly exposure or exposure by the battery inside of the mobile X-ray. And in the head, we have the preset buttons here. You can press one and you can get the suggested KV and MAS to get the clear images. It is very easy for operation, and your radiologist can also adjust by themselves. Yeah, you can see here is the logo for Wi-Fi and the logo for battery, and it can move to different angles as your need. Like this, we can rotate the head, the left, right, yeah, 180 degrees, any angle as you wish. And with this bionic structure arm, you can move it higher than your head or lower. And while to move lower. Yeah, when you hear this voice click, it will lock at the bottom side to protect the machine to hit the floor. Yeah, and we also have the two big wheels and two small wheels. So this the whole structure, this whole machine can be moved easily from one room to another room. And after talking about the head and the body of the mobile X-ray, let's see the heart of the digital X-ray. Yes, it is the FPD. Our FPD, first of all, it is 70-inch plus 70-inch, large size. Yeah. And we have the technology for the high DQE, high sensitive, and high resolution, so you can get ultra clear images and very low dose to protect the doctor's skills and patients. And our battery also it with Wi-Fi. Yeah, and battery. Yeah, and our battery is also with the ultra low consumption technology. So even on one single charge, it can be used for 8 to 10 hours for single charge, continually use, and you will get a free extra battery. So you can have this machine to work for you for the 24 hours. And after you use the FPD, you can put it in this storage. And you can also put the cables and other items like the patient documents in this storage box. Yeah, and in this system, you may wonder, we have the head structure, the FPD. How do we control it? We will also have a laptop here. Yeah, and with the smart software already installed in the laptop. So you will get the whole system from us. And once you get this machine, you just unpack it and it can be used very easily. And this is the mobile X-ray and already won the Ghana MOH project. Yeah. So and also other private hospital, they choose this model already. Yeah. And now if your hospital with large volume shooting needs can meet your requirements. If your hospital is very large and you need both of them. Yeah. And you can see our fixed X-ray, we have the 2 columns. Yeah, the table. Yeah, also with higher generator voltage, which we not installed here, and also the computer and software, the whole system. And our screen, you can see here, it is touch screen. Yeah, and the tube we use is Toshiba tube, which can exposure for a support for 100 and 1,000 times exposures. Yeah, so when you choose X-ray, you need to check about their tube, which brand of the tube they are using, so they can work for you longer and durable. And our X-ray, it is with 7 smart functions. Let me show you one by one. First one, it is the smart tracking. Here we are. We just press this button. Yes, it can smart tracking into different angles. And smart tracking with FPV. Yeah, like this. And the second smart, it is the smart table. You can see why you put it in and click. Then it can move in always bendable. Yeah. So you do not need to move the patient if he is not able to move. You just move the table to find the correct shooting position. And let's see the third smart. Yeah. You can see we can move the tube head down. And are you worried we move and forgot and it will hit the table? Actually, it will not, because we have smart anti-collision. You can see when we move in a safety distance here, I cannot move it any longer. It is a red mark here. It doesn't mean the machine not working. It means we have the smart anti-collision to protect the head and the table and the patient to collision. Yeah, this is the third smart, and the fourth smart is which is very useful for clients while we have the many patients and they want to taste their chest. Yeah, this is smart tracking. Yeah. But I move the FPD, I move accordingly. Yeah. And the smart POS, let me show you. First of all, while you at a hospital, you want to take your chest and you press this on, and you also need to press. Yeah, you press the auto this auto button, so this LPD can find the height of the patient according differently. Yeah, if I'm not that high, he will move down. If I'm taller, he will move up according to like I'm this height, and he will stop here for taking. So it is the smart POS. And you might wonder if all the functions we have to operate inside this room. Actually, no. All the functions we can control on the computer. It is the smart controller stand. Let me show you. It is the 5 smart. Yeah. We have the stand control. All the control I do inside, it can actually be done outside. Just press this button. But you can choose either inside by the touch screen or outside on the software. This is the 5 smarts. And we also have the smart software. You can see here is the new patient. You can add some name here and choose the female or male and type their ID and age. Yeah, and you can accept and get the new patient and to do the X-ray. And after we have the high generator voltage here. It will can control the monitor, and even your country the electricity is not very stable, it will protect the machine. No worry. And after exposure, we just press this button. After adjust the kV and MA, you will get the imager like this. And you can adjust the imager as you wish. I'm not a radiologist, but you can adjust accordingly. Yeah, and you can add the it is the left or right angle, and or not okay, you can cancel it, and you can adjust the brightness and the contrast to get the most clear image for it, and save or cancel. Yeah, and you can also print out the report here. This is the 7 smart of this machine, of this fixed X-ray. Do you like it? Yeah, actually, we have sold to many countries, including Ghana, and we also have sold to like Latin America, Mexico, Guatemala, and also in Asia, like Philippines and Cambodia. All the clients they give us, they are very pleased with our machine. It gets clear images and very easy to operate. And our MedWish will provide you 18 months warranty. So any interesting that come to us, and we will send you more details and parameters for the machine. Okay, and this is all for the radiology department. And next, our colleague Tina, she will introduce you for the gynecology and ultrasound. Welcome, Tina.
Hi everyone, this is Tina. Nice to meet you. Now we are in our obstetric and gynecology room. Here we provide a complete set of packaging solutions like the examination codes, the cry, liver bed, LDR bed, the infant incubator, infant warmer, and also provide the ultrasound machine. Okay, now we can see our cry HGCB011. This we have exported on the market for more than 10 years. And it's also one of the best-selling of models. It's also very easy to operate, as you can see. And our customers' feedback also say that it looks very nice and easy to operate. It's also very safe for babies to use, and it's economic. Order now on our platform can get a better price. Then this is our examination coach, which can cater the different examinations, including the gynecology, and we can see it has a nice appearance and very easy operation, like here. The backstage controlled by the gas spring. Yeah, this is very easy for operate. It also has the practical function, which equipment with the lab capacity of the drawers. Yeah, you can place some inspection instruments and the document here. Yes. Okay, this is our LDR bait, which prefer for the expectant mothers to need the various stage of delivering a baby, like the labor, delivery, and the recovery. The whole patch is made of the high quality ABS material, and it also has 4 big wheels, so you can move it very smoothly and quickly. Then we can use this remote to control its functions, like this can control the back section, up and down, and the Trendelenburg, anti-Trendelenburg. Okay, so we also provide 2 types of ultrasound machines here. They are the economic color Doppler ultrasound machines. Yes, and they always high quality backstage imaging processing software and the rich imaging modes. Now we can show you this is its operation panel. We can see it has 9 modes. Yes, and the switch is at the back. You can see here. Here also has the USB and other interfaces can be connected. Okay, about these 2 types, they also have the 3 big advantages. First is about the help kit, which used for the beginners to learn how to use this machine. Yes, and it also has the language preset function. So we can choose the language according to the different countries, and we can also check the network here. Yes, thirdly, this machine can also see the baby growing curve. And the differences between these 2 types is that the screen size, this type's screen size is 19 inches, and about that portable one's screen size is 15. More different obstetric and gynecology products can be seen on our website, www.mediwish.com. Okay, now follow my step to our next department, emergency room. If you are interested about any product which I showed you just now, you can contact with our sales nurse. Okay, now we are in our emergency room, which is the busiest department in the hospital, and the good equipment can help the doctors and nurses to help them improve the working efficiency. Here we display different types of emergency stretchers here, like the hydraulic, manual, and electric, which can transfer the patient smoothly and quickly. This is our best-selling hydraulic emergency stretcher, which is the top-class emergency stretcher that's special designed for the transfer the patient, and it has 5 functions like the height, backstage, full section, Trendelenburg, and Trendelenburg. Yeah, and the mattress is made the PU material and it's waterproof. This stretcher also provides the X-ray transmission, which can cater for the more clinical examinations. It also has 4 big wheels with a diameter of 20 centimeters and a central control system, so which can help the doctors to move it very smoothly. Yes, we also provide the connecting structure and the ambulance stretcher, folding stretcher. In addition to the stretcher, we also provide the other emergency products like the defibrillators, patient monitors, first aid, and other different So if you are interested, other emergency products can be viewed on our website www.medwish.com. Okay, now let my colleague Apple to show our next department, ICU department.
Hello everyone, welcome to our ICU department. Here you can see the ICU room is equipped with many functions of the hospital bed with the battery and the CPR function, and the weighing scale is optional. And you can see the pendant. In order to keep the ICU room clean and tidy, most our clients will choose the pendant at the same time to connect the hospital's gas systems and storage instruments. And here is our 5-function electric hospital bed with the weighing scales. You can see it is ability to monitor the patient weight in a real time, and the date of it is accurate to 0.01 kilogram with a memory function, so that if the patient leave or fall down the hospital bed, it will alarm. And next, follow my step to our general wardroom. Here we can see many kinds of the trolleys, the medicine trolley, emergency trolley, computer trolley, and other type of the trolley. And here is our general wardrobe. In the general wardrobe, there has many kinds of the hospital beds like the electric, hydraulic, and manual. And we can also provide the beside by table, over by table, bedside unit, curtain, mattress, and so on. And here, specially introduced 2 hospital beds for you. The first one is this. This is the hydraulic hospital bed that supplied Hong Kong makeshift hospital for more than 716 pieces. And it is controlled by the hydraulic. And it can be controlled by the wood pedal to control the lift up and down. And about the back section and the foot section is controlled by the crank. The 2 cranks. And we can also OEM for the 5-function hydraulic bed according to your need. It is a good idea between the electric and the manual. And this type is another type that the AG BY036. You may be familiar with that. We has promoted it into market for more than 8 years, and it helped many distributors to win the tender. And you can see it can control by the remote, and it uses the Linux motor with 3 years warranty. For this hospital bed, we also put it in the stock so that to support the quickly delivery. If you are interested, you can contact us, and our professional sales manager will contact you on time. Now, so this is all the introduction for our general room. Then let's give the camera to our host, Yana and Lily.